Hi, I'm Claire, and I will be showing you a quick demo of the teacher workbook for elementary teachers at dual language schools. So the first thing I will do is navigate to the student overview tab. And now, depending on your role, you might be able to see data for your whole school, data shared among your co-teachers, or maybe just for your own class specifically. A good way to find out is to look at the select teacher course filter over here. It defaults to all, so I'm going to unclick all and I will look down here and choose my second grade class. I'll hit apply and then I'll click again to close that filter. Now, next I'm going to navigate these tabs along the top and start with attendance. So the first thing I see is this green number at the top. That's telling me my overall class attendance, 92%, pretty good, but I want to know more about each student. So I'll click on that number, and now I get a list and some more information about each of my students, their history of attendance over time, and how they're doing so far this year. So from this, I can see that there's a few students I might be more concerned about. I'm going to follow up with their families and learn more. And then next, I'm going to go back up to the tabs and look at my iStation data. So the first thing I can see here is that in both English and Spanish, I've got students who are testing in all three levels of iStation. I have students who are at or above grade level in green, below grade level in yellow, and significantly below in red. So I want to learn a little bit more here. I can click on that red segment of the Spanish test. And next, I can see specifically who were those students. I'm going to click again on this chart. And now I actually have a list of each of those students, how they did in both English and Spanish, and their specific performance on each of the domains of each of their iStation tests. I can also see some useful information like if they have a read plan. So this is going to be really helpful for me to start grouping my students. There is one more level deeper that we can go, and that's going to be looking at a report for each individual student, and we will show you how to do that next.